Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Upgrade your outdoor setup with a reliable and efficient solution for tangle-free watering. The best automatic hose reel on the market delivers smooth retraction, steady performance, and hassle-free convenience, helping you maintain a neat, organized garden with minimal effort every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Wikiwiki 100 FT Hose Reel. The Wikiwiki 100 FT hose reel offers a smooth, dependable watering experience with its intelligent auto rewind system that retracts the hose slowly and safely with just a light pull. This eliminates tangles, kinks, and messy storage, keeping your garden area looking clean and organized. Its lock-at-any-length ratchet system allows you to pull out exactly the amount of hose you need, making watering tasks more efficient. The included 100-foot hybrid hose is durable, weather-resistant, and designed to handle up to 150 psi, giving you reliable water flow for everyday garden use. The reel also comes with a versatile 10-pattern nozzle. Built with a sturdy plastic shell and inner metal rod, the Wikiwiki reel is easy to mount, remove, and maintain, ideal for anyone looking for a practical, long-lasting outdoor hose solution. Number 2. AYURA Pro Metal Hose Reel. The AYURA Pro Metal Hose Reel stands out with its reinforced metal shaft that delivers long-lasting, leak-free performance even under heavy, frequent use. Designed to withstand pressure, aging, and wear better than plastic reels, it keeps water flowing smoothly without cracking or dripping. With a 100-foot hose reach and 1/2-inch diameter, it works well for watering large yards, flower beds, and patios without the strain of dragging heavy hoses. Its premium internal spring ensures smooth, controlled rewinding every time, preventing dangerous snapback and protecting both the hose and your hands. A self-aligning track ensures the hose retracts evenly with no kinks or bending. Built with double-layer UV protection, the reel resists fading and cracking in sun-heavy climates. The heavy-duty mounting bracket supports up to 230 pounds, guaranteeing a secure, long-term installation in any weather. Number 3. Glahoden 180-degree hose reel. The Glahoden 180-degree hose reel is engineered for high-efficiency watering, especially in large outdoor spaces where strong water flow is essential. Its 5/8-inch 100-foot hose minimizes pressure loss compared to 1/2-inch hoses, making it ideal for covering expansive gardens with ease. The patented dual ratchet locking system delivers precision control, holding the hose securely at exact lengths without slack. Perfect for watering along edges or tight corners. Backed by 3,000 durability tests, this system outperforms traditional locking designs. The industrial-grade alloy spring provides a smooth, safe rewind, operating slower to prevent whipping while still storing the hose quickly. The 3-layer PVC hose is reinforced for a burst pressure of 348 psi, ensuring long-term reliability. A self-aligning nylon guide prevents tangles and jams, while the 220-pound rated wall mount bracket keeps the reel stable and secure year-round. Number 4. SILVEL 180-degree Swivel Hose Reel. The SILVEL 180-degree swivel hose reel is designed to make everyday watering easier with its kink-free operation and smooth auto-locking system. The hose stays in place as you work, preventing the usual tangling and twisting that slow down outdoor tasks. Its automatic retraction mechanism neatly winds the hose back into place, keeping your yard tidy without any manual rolling. The automatic 180-degree swivel bracket provides excellent reach in multiple directions, allowing you to water across different sides of your garden without repositioning the unit. The package comes complete with mounting hardware, the 100-foot hose, and 2 nozzles, making setup simple and straightforward. Built for convenience and reliable performance, the SILVEL hose reel is a good choice for homeowners looking to maintain a neat garden with minimal effort. Number 5. Giraffe 100 FT Hose Reel. The Giraffe 100 FT hose reel delivers a dependable watering solution with its patented lock mechanism that allows the hose to stay fixed at any chosen length. This makes it easy to reach all corners of your garden without constantly adjusting or pulling extra hose. A built-in stop ball prevents the hose from retracting too far, adding an extra layer of safety. The auto rewind system rolls the hose back smoothly with just a slight tug, and the guiding mechanism ensures it retracts evenly without knots or kinks. Installation is quick thanks to the 180-degree swivel bracket that provides wide coverage and a quick release system that allows you to remove the reel easily for storage. With a 9-pattern nozzle included, this model adapts well to various tasks, from plant watering to washing vehicles. Choosing the best automatic hose reel ensures your watering routine stays smooth, organized, and stress-free. With dependable retraction and durable construction, it keeps your space tidy while saving time and effort. Invest in a model that delivers long-term convenience, so every watering task feels easier, cleaner, and more efficient.